going to show you in this video how to check your TikTok account so as to resolve any outstanding issues with your post, with your comment, with your direct messages and other things. Now, let me say that it's very important that once in a while you run this test. Now, when you run the test, TikTok is going to scan your page and scan your post, messages, everything. If your page is on good standing, they're going to show you immediately. You will see it. But if your page is not on good standing, you will also know so that you can take action as quickly as possible. Hope we know that when it gets to the time that you're due for monetization, your page being on good standing is one of the criteria you would have to meet for your page to be monetized. So this is very important. It is, in fact, is one of the most important thing that they consider before your page can be monetized. Once in a while, do this and check so that you can quickly take action. Now, if you're interested in this video, don't forget to give me a follow, comment, like, save, and share the video. Okay, guys, let's go. So what you need to do is go to your page on TikTok and click on the 3 lines here, which is the hamburger line. And the next is click on your TikTok studio, this one. Over here, forget about this. Over here, you will see tools, right? Now, under tools, click on account check. Remember, you can see the way it's checking on the account, checking on the videos. Did you see how it was checking both the account, the videos? So it says no outstanding issues. Okay? What this means, your account and posts have no outstanding issues or violations. But this doesn't include your status on TikTok Shop, creator monetization, or other features. We will continue to expand our checks to include more features. That is it. So it's very advisable that once in a while you run this check to make sure your account is on good standing. Okay, so that is it for today, guys. I hope you have seen how we're able to do it. It's very simple. Anybody can do this, and try and run this check once in a while to know whether you have done any violation, whether there's any violation stripe on your page, so you can quickly resolve it and your page will be as clean as a clean slate again and on good standing. Now, if you like this content, don't forget to follow me, comment, like, save, and share. And save and share. Yeah, I hope this helps. You're welcome.